Hello, Codger Biker here. Let's play What's in the Box and Why.
Oh, there's the rebound. Just bounced me out of my seat. That's what I mean about the rebound. Alright, it was a big bump, but yeah, not a good rebound, or rather too much rebound.
So we lift off this outer box. Inside we find YSS suspension, world-class suspension it says, top line gas shock absorber, high quality products. Well, I think these are made in Thailand, and so is the 500X, so can't really say a lot about that. No, it's a budget shock unit. Bloody expensive still in my opinion. I didn't want to spend out for a full-on Rally Raid version. I'm not going off-road, don't need it. The reason I chose this is because I'm dissatisfied with the way the back of the bike responds if it hits a bump at speed. It almost throws you from the seat. So,
oh, there it was again. Yeah, the rebound on a road like this. Whoa! It's that's too much rebound on the rear shock. It's just is the one weakness I'd say that needs to be addressed.
this shock has got rebound adjustment. Hopefully I can tune it out once I've got it on the bike. That will be another video though. Let's have a look what you get inside. If I can open it. It's so complicated. So inside we get a pack, presumably specifications, instructions, etc. That bar you need to adjust the preload, as you'll see in a minute. And I think, oh yeah, there is. There's an Allen key, which tightens a bolt which holds the preload in position once adjusted. So there it is. Look at that. Why do things always look so nice when they're new? Hopefully with my mud flap on the bike it will stay that way. The original on the left, which has got a little bit of a black washer for preload. I had to set this to 4 because it wasn't working very well. But the length is exactly the same. You can adjust the length on there if necessary. There are 2 holes. That one's got an Allen bolt in it. I noticed the other side has got a hole, but no Allen bolt. So there's a grub screw in there. You undo the grub screw with that, and then you use this rod in the holes to spin it round. Obviously it's locked at the moment. I'm going to leave that where it is for now and not adjust that. Now the more interesting part for me is this ring at the bottom, which is 30 clicks of rebound. So we go all the way down. It says to set it between 5 and 10 to begin with. I'm going to set it at 15 and then hope that'll be too harsh and then slack it down as I go along. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That should be too much, we'll see. It's a very reboundy bike. So there is the YSS shock with the rebound adjustment, preload adjustment. It doesn't have any compression. There's a screw there, but that's not compression. It's actually marked with some paint. That's presumably to indicate if you've been inside messing with it. So there we go. The YSS. Now this is supposed to be for the 2022 onward bike. So you have to check if you've got a CB500X before you got this, but that's the one I got. So hopefully, if you can see that, it will fit. Time will tell. Codger Biker is out. Simulating me doing off-road riding with great skill. Yeah, that's fine. It just moves away. It doesn't bounce like it did before. No rebound. Action. rebound. Rock hard.
Are you getting some kind of perverse pleasure out of that?